Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the apps and notifications. They should be on the third position from the top. Now we have to tap on the see all 41 apps, of course 41 in my case. And here let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the reset up preferences option, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit this subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.